Dear audience, at first take my salam assalamu alaikum. This is Yahya Mahmood speaking. In this video we are going to discuss about reading and on 10th October paper based IELTS test এবং পেসেজ আপনাদেরকে দেখাবো। তো আমি আপনাদেরকে দেখাবো, জাস্ট আপনারা দেখতে পারেন।
The IELTS reading test is designed to assess a wide range of reading skills, such as reading for detail, skimming, understanding logical arguments, recognizing writers' opinions, and identifying key points in texts. Here are the instructions typically provided. Test format. Duration, 60 minutes. Number of questions, 40. Number of sections, 3. Instructions. 1. Answer all questions. You should attempt to answer every question. There is no penalty for wrong answers, so guessing is better than leaving blanks. 2. Use your time wisely. You will have 60 minutes for the whole test. It's essential to manage your time effectively because you won't get extra time to transfer your answers at the end. 3. Skim and scan. You should quickly skim the passages to get a general idea and then scan for specific information to answer the questions.